कृतवती अथवा कृतवान् इति वदतु। वाक्यम् एकमेकं वाक्यम् अनन्तरं द्वितीय सेकेंड राउंड कुर्मः अथवा वाक्यत्रयं कुर्वन्तु अभ्यासार्थम्। So would you like to try phrasing any 3 sentences? What did you do in the last 3? Do you want me to put up the verbs sheets? Aham yadi verb sheet स्थापयामि saralam bhavati. धातुपदकोष्टकम्। एकक्षणम्। अस्तु, अनन्तरं मम एक उपायः आसीत्। वाक्यानन्तरम् एकं गीतं पठामः। तिष्ठतु। सुन्दरेशन्, सुन्दरेशन्, सुन्दर असि? सुन्दरस्य कण्ठः नष्टः। मम होस्ट डिसेबल्ड अस्ति, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग। होस्ट एनेबल्ड करोति कृपया। भवान् संस्कृतं लिपतु, अहम् अवगच्छामि। तर्हि धन्यवादः, अभवत्। तर्हि वाक्यत्रयं चिन्तयतु। किं किं कृतवन्तः? कुत्र गतम्? अत्र अस्ति। किमपि वाक्यत्रयम्।
Can I aham vadami?
कृपया वदतु, कृपया।
Vayam त्रीणि मासे सुनाद वृंदे केनोपनिषद कार्यक्रमे यक्षगानम शिक्षामः।
ओके, उत्तमम्।
केनोपनिषद
कार्यक्रमार्थं।
करेक्ट, कार्यक्रमार्थं यक्षगान शिक्षामः।
कार्यक्रमार्थम् एकम् ऑप्शन अस्ति, अल्टरनेटिव।
कार्यक्रमेण
कार्यक्रमेण
no
with
sorry for कार्यक्रमात्
नैव you've gone one more. मध्यस्थनं
wait नरेण नरभिः नरात् नरायै okay, I'll have to look up the
नरः. let's do it together no
नरः नरौ नराः नरं नरौ नरा नरेण नराभ्यां नरैः नराय कार्यक्रमाय।
ओके तरादि एकं वाक्यं समापयतु, अनन्तरम् अहं वदामि।
वयं त्रीणि मासे सुनाद वृंदे केनोपनिषद कार्यक्रमार्थं यक्षगानं शिक्षामः।
उत्तमम्। बट एकं वयं मासत्रये और मासत्रये because
okay,
त्रीणि,
मासत्रये.
so what is
yeah, correct.
Because त्रीणि is a number for a napunsaka word. त्रीणि फलानि.
okay.
So for मासः पुल्लिङ्गपदम् अस्ति, अतः it would be त्रयः मासाः.
okay.
So मासत्रयम् और मासत्रये.
okay, मासत्रये सुनाद वृंदे
Satyam.
केनोपनिषद कार्यक्रमार्थं
Satyam.
यक्षगानं शिक्षामः.
Uttamam.
Okay.
Ashikshitavatyah. Ashikshitavantah. Bhutkalam. If you want to use the Bhutkalam.
Okay.
Shikshitavantah or Patitavantah.
Okay,
Either
but
of them.
you can't read, no, it can't be pathitavantah, no.
It has to do with
Shikshitavantah.
learn. Shikshitavantah.
Yeah.
Satyam.
Shikshitavantah. Okay, okay.
Satyam, satyam, satyam.
Shikshitavantah. Okay. Vanda,
Satyam.
that's all.
And another thing, so Vednaranjim Pashyami, Namaste. Sarvam Kushalam Kiv. Bhavan muted asti. Vadatu?
Anuradha ji, may I try? Because after this I'll have to do something else. May I attempt? I'm Radhika here.
Kripaya, vadatu ma.
Okay. Aham ekmase Jyotish astrology, no? Jyotish Shastra Vidya Patitavati.
Uttamam. Jyotish Shastra Vidyam Patitavati.
Vidyam Patitavati.
It's the object of your learning.
Pardon?
It is the object of your learning.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, Jyotish Shastra Vidyam Patitavati.
Uttamam.
Okay, Patitavati includes have been learning also. Have been learning.
Satyam. Or Pathami Sma. The
Pathami.
Sma is something we haven't practiced too much, but the Sma is that I have been learning. I was doing like that. So Pathami Sma gives that idea.
Okay, thank you.
Anyadekam Vakyam?
From me only?
Satyam, or do you want to take a break and come back?
One more sentence.
3 sentences I said. Vakyatrayam vadantu iti.
I will make it.
Astu.
Aham grihe karyam karitavati. Kritavati. Griha karyam kritavati ekmase, and mama father-in-law, what do you say for father-in-law? I'm taking care of him. Shashuraha take care.
Sevam kritavati.
Shashuraha sevam kritavati. Wow. Okay. Shashura.
Shwashura.
Shwashura.
So
okay.
Shwashura sevam or Shwashurasya sevam.
Shwashurasya. Beautiful. Shwashurasya sevam kritavati. So I'll just repeat the 3 sentences.
And just you can also add, just if I may say, you can also add tatra yataha saha aswasthaha asit. Yataha. So you use this, the conjunctional words like yataha, ataha, because.
Okay.
So
yataha is because, is it?
Yes, satyam.
Okay. Aham ekmase Jyotish Shastra Vidyam Patitavati. Graha Karyam Kritavati. Shwashura Sevam Kritavati. Api Kritavati. Yataha bhavatah swastha his tasya swastha aswastha bhavati.
Acha. Yataha saha aswastha asit.
Yataha saha aswastha asit. Okay.
One way of saying it. I'll just give you a few varieties. So you can say yataha saha aswastha asit, because he was unwell. So aswastha is an adjective. You can also say it yataha tasya swasthyam samyak nasit.
Okay.
His health was not good.
Okay, very good. Yeah. These conversations help so much. Thank you so much for this. It will be so useful. Yeah. When you force yourself to speak. Thank you.
सत्यं सत्यं सम्भाषणम् आवश्यकम् तस्य
अनुराधा जी,
प्रयोगः वदतु वदतु
अहं वदामि
कृपया कृपया
गतमासे वयम् आकाशे गुरुगृह गुरुगृह शनिगृह च संयोगं दृष्टवन्तः.
उत्तमम् सो गुरुग्रह दट् गुरुग्रह शनिग्रह योः संयोगः or you can make that whole thing as a compound word तर्हि गुरुग्रह शनिग्रह संयोगः is one whole compound.
Oh,
It can be like that. That is one option.
I wanted to
Astu.
say conjunction of. That's why I said I don't know how to
So
say
the
that.
thing is, no. Now the thing is that what you have, so if you make it a compound word, like
Ah.
Guru Graha, so Guru Graha, when you do it as a samasta padam, means a compound word, it implies Guroho Graha, the Graha of Guru. Okay. So
Ah.
it is as a compound word, it is already, it is talking about the fact of the relationship as a sambandha of, so the planet of Guru, the planet of Shani, so Guru Graha, Shani Graha, Sambandha. So you're saying the Sambandha of Guru Graha and Shani Graha is all taken into that one word.
Ah. Ah.
If you do it as one single compound word, Astu. If you want to separate it out, then you say Guru Grahasya, Shani Grahasya cha Sanyogam
Ah.
Rishyati. Vadatu vadatu.
गतमासे
Vayam.
what is 21 विश
एकविंशति.
एकविंशति गतमासे डिसेम्बरम् एकविंशति.
डिसेम्बर् मासस्य एकविंशति.
डिसेम्बर् मासस्य डिसेम्बर् मासस्य एकविंशति
दिनाङ्के
रात्रे
रात्र्यां
रात्र्यं
रात्र्याम् or रात्रौ
रात्रौ.
Why
is it ratrau? I didn't understand.
It's another ikaranta. The ratri is not a dirgha e, it is a short hrasva e.
Oh.
So mati, matau or matyam. So it can be both. So ratryam or ratrau. Both.
Oh. Okay. Ratrau. Vayam गुरुगृहस्य शनिगृहस्य च संयोगं दृष्टवन्तः.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अन्यत् किं कृतवती कृतवन्तः? अन्यः कः विशेषः आसीत् गतमासे?
अहं तारा महोदयेन with महोदयेन सह येन. So how do you know whether महोदयेन सह सुनादवृन्दे केनोपनिषदं पठितवती. Because
you are the subject. With him. So he doesn't come to the subject verb at all. You remain the subject. So the verb will be singular because you are singular. And he is just relational with you there. Astu. He has not entered into the subject picture that the verb will get affected into a plural or a dual or whatever.
Oh.
Astu. And I also wanted to tell you, you had a doubt. Kada na bhavati, kada na. So mahodaya, there is no murdha sound before that. And because murdha sound nasti, it will remain mahodayena and not become mahodayena. Astu. Iti. Anantaram तृतीयं वाक्यं करोति अथवा अनन्तरं करिष्यति?
अनन्तरं प्रयत्नं करिष्यामि.
उत्तमम्. अनन्तरं प्रयत्नम्. उत्तमम् उत्तमम्.
अहं ट्राई करोमि.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं वदतु
गत-
अञ्जलि
अंजलि,
हा हा वदतु वदतु
गतमासे अहं सुनादसंस्थे प्रथम फर्स्ट टाइम
प्रथमवारं
नो फर्स्ट टाइम
हा प्रथमवारं
प्रथमवारं एकं ध्रुपदः गीतं सहोदरेण सह सृष्टि कृतवती.
ओके
Created.
हा हा आं सृष्टवती
Acha, not कृतवती.
no, so now I'll tell you why not. So the moment you say that Drupadaha srish or Drupadam srish no, what was your sentence?
Drupada Geetam.
Geetam srishtavati. The moment you say srishtam or srishtim kritavati, I made a creation, because srishtim kritavati is made a creation. Then the preposition is of. I made a creation of the song. So it will then have to become Drupadaha Geetasya Srishtim Kritavati.
Drupadasya Geetam.
No, Drupadaha
Geetam.
Geetasya Srishtim Kritavati.
Actually, Srishti is not correct. Wrote is the better word.
No, aham tasya abhyasam athava aham tasya rachana is an easier word.
That is my next sentence.
But just grammatically it's important for you to understand that thing for all of you. When you add karoti, then you have to say of something. Okay, so for example, if you say aham pustakam pathitavati, if I say that, okay, which means that the book is directly the object of my action. Aham pustakam pathitavati. But if I want to say pathanam kritavati, means I did the reading of the book, so it will become pustakasya pathanam kritavati.
Okay.
That is just one. So if you're directly putting in the verb, then the word, the noun you're using will have to be used in the accusative or the karma case, the dvitiya vibhakti. But if you're using kritavati, if you're making it like a compound verb, then the pathanam becomes the noun. But that becomes the object. Kim kritavati? Pathanam kritavati. Kasya pathanam? Pustakasya pathanam. So Drupadaha Geetasya Rachanam Kritavati.
Okay.
Or Drupadaha Geetam Rachitavati.
Oh yes, okay. Rachitavati.
Yeah, that's another verb. Srishtavati, yeah. Rachitavati could be a nicer one because it's like you've put it together, sort of.
Yes, yes.
Srishtavati is like a whole new creation. It's a little more.
I know, it was grandiose.
It was
it means so much to me.
Satyam.
Okay, the Rachana is coming in the next sentence. That's why I didn't.
Srishtavati then. Srishtavati bhavatu.
Tadapi Shabdam Rachanavati.
Rachitavati.
Rachitavati.
Rachitavati. Bhavati punaha vadati kim vakyam?
English.
नहीं, संस्कृते एव वाक्यं वदतु.
Tadapi. Tadanasya.
No, tad anantaram. After
Okay.
that. So you have a few things. I'll give you, and maybe some of you can note down if you want to. So you have tat param.
Yes.
Anantaram, which becomes tadanantaram. Just anantaram or just param.
Okay. Yeah. So tadanantaram shabdam rachitavati.
Uttamam.
Tat Tale Rachatavan.
That means he, the brother.
Oh, no, I wanted to say Tat as neuter of the song.
Okay, tat. Then tat tasya talam, of it. No. What do you want?
Tasya Talam. Okay.
What do you want to say about it? Would you like to repeat?
For that, we made we created we fitted a tal for
No.
that.
Tadartham.
Tadartham.
Tadartham means for that sake.
Yeah.
Or tasya
Yes.
krite. Tasya krite. Tadartham. All of them come in. Okay. So tasya krite or tadartham. Talam.
Talam.
So you can say it like this. So there are again, if you say talam as a noun, then you have to put in a verb. So chitavati, chayanam. The verb is chayanam, to choose.
Okay.
Or you can also say nishchitavati. We decided.
Okay. Yeah. Nishchitavati.
Okay.
Okay.
So
This Van doesn't come. Rachata Van.
it depends. So if you are saying I did it, then Rachita Van. As a man will say Rachita Van.
Okay.
Mahila Rachitavati iti vadishyati.
Okay. Yeah, of course. Of course. Yes.
And if you want to talk of two of you, then Rachita Vantau.
Rachita Vantau. We are not doing the duel.
आमामाम् अस्तु तर्हि
Thank
तदर्थं तालम् अपि निश्चितवती or निश्चितवान्.
Nishchitavan. Okay.
Tadapi.
Then-
Oh, one last one on this. So if you I've given you the option of telling it directly with the verb. Tadartham talam api nishchitavati. Now, if you want to do talasya chayanam kritavati, so or nishchayam kritavati. You know what
Okay.
we spoke of in the first case. That
Yes.
if you use it as a compound verb, so with karoti, then chayanam or nishchayam kritavati, I made a decision
Yeah.
of the talasya chayanam kritavati or talasya nishchayam kritavati.
Yes.
Would you like to just read out the three sentences? Trini vakyani ekavaram punar vadishyati kim? Anantaram
Ayyo.
प्रयत्नं करोतु, because then विश्वासः भवति. यदा शुद्धं वाक्यं वदिष्यति.
Gatamase aham sunada sansthe
Okay, that's one.
prathama varam.
Sorry. Sansthayam, because it's sanstha is the word.
Okay. Sansthayam
Hmm?
prathama varam ekam drupada geetam rachanam no rachitavati.
Why is
Tadapi
it Prathama Varam?
First time.
Oh, I thought it was first week. Okay.
No. Varam is time. Prathama varam, dvitiya varam, tritiya varam. It's also the first time.
Okay.
Amamam.
tad
Like in Hindi, ek baar, pehli baar.
Pehle baar. Correct.
तदनन्तरं शब्दं रचितवती
Satyam.
तस्य नन्तरं no तदर्थं तालमपि निश्चितवान्
Nishchita?
वती.
Vati. Yeah, that you'll have to be consistent because you're the subject.
Yeah.
Uttamam. Just one thing I wanted to point out here, when you're saying Drupadaha Geetam, it is like an advanced thing because Drupad is a Dakaranta Halanta Shabda. So Drupadasya, it will never become Drupadasya Geetam. It will become Drupadaha Geetam. This will come in the intermediate level.
By mistake, I did it correctly.
Oh, you did Uttamam. I was very impressed. सत्यं सत्यम् अस्तु धन्यवादः आं दीपक महोदय वदतु भवान् म्यूटेड् अस्ति न श्रूयते महोदय महोदय न श्रूयते
अस्तु अस्तु
हा वदतु वदतु
गत डिसेम्बर् मासे अहं संस्कृत भारती संस्थायां पाणिनि व्याकरणम् अभ्यासं पठामि
ओके सो अत्र फ्यू थिंग्स अत्र सो भवान् यदा वदति तत् अहं गतमासे गत डिसेम्बर् मासे संस्कृतभारत्यां सो इन् संस्कृत भारती इति भवान् वदति पाणिनि व्याकरणस्य अभ्यासम्
अस्तु ओके
practice of the Panini's grammar
बराबर
so तद् किं वदामः सः सम्बन्धः स्पष्टः आवश्यकमस्ति मस्तके so पाणिनि व्याकरणस्य अभ्यासं कृतवान् is better than पठितवान्
नै it is going on
oh अहं गतं then in that case you have to say गत डिसेम्बर् मासतः
right गत डिसेम्बर् मासतः अहं पाणिनि संस्कृत पाणिनि व्याकरणस्य अभ्यासं करोमि
उत्तमम् उत्तमं तर्हि अतिशुद्धं भवति उत्तमं पुनः किं हा
तथापि गतमासे मम 5 सहपाठी सह अहं पञ्चविंशति छात्राः पाठितवान् संस्कृतं पाठयितवान्
पाठित is to teach पठितवान् is to learn पाठितवान् to teach
पाठितवान्
पुनरपि वदतु एतद् द्वितीयवाक्यं पुनरपि
गतमासे अहं मम 5 सहपाठी सह
no this is what panchabihi
okay
no what do you want to say panchabihi
पाठिभ्यः सह
पंचभिः पाठकैः सह
पाठ
और पंच सहपाठकैः सह with so it's better to say like that पंच पाठकैः
पंच पाठकैः सह संस्कृत भाषां पाठयितवान्
पाठितवान् 25
छात्रान् पाठितवान्
उत्तमं कथम् आसीत् अनुभवः
बहु सुन्दर बहु सम्यक्
उत्तमं कुत्र गुजरात नगरे एव
नहीं ऑनलाइन ऑल ओवर इंडिया ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड
एवं
छात्राः द्विकक्षातः पंचमी कक्षा पर्यन्तम् आसन्
उत्तमं समाप्तं किं पाठ्यक्रमः
एक स्टेज समाप्तम् अभी द्वितीय श्वतः कुर्मः
ओके स्तरस्य द्वितीयस्तरः एकः प्रथमः स्तरः समाप्तः द्वितीयस्तरः भविष्यति ओ शुभेच्छाः हार्दिकशुभेच्छाः
धन्यवादः
महान् सन्तोषः
वयं अहं प्राप्यामि
अहं प्राप्नोमि उत्तमं महान्
अनुराधा महोदया द्वितीयवाक्यं वदामि
आमां वदतु अरुणादि अस्ति नमस्ते
हेलो
आमां वदतु
ह्यः मम कक्षा बान्धवानि मिलितवन्तः ज़ूमे वार्तालापं कृतवन्तः च
Uttamam. So, the first part of it, Taradi, Prathama Bhagam vadatu. Hyaha.
ह्यः मम कक्षा बान्धवानि.
So what do you want to say here?
My classmates.
Mama Sahapatkaha. Sahapathinah
Okay,
actually. Sahapathinah is more correct.
पाठिनः. Okay. सह पाठिनः मिलितवन्तः ज़ूमे वार्तालापं कृतवन्तः च.
Uttamam. Kada arabhya kada paryantam.
ह्यः
Kada samayah.
रात्रि. नववादने सायंकाले नववादने स्टार्ट नववादने आरम्भं नववादने एकादशवादने पर्यन्तम्.
Uttama. So you can say Navaratrau Navavadanatah Ekadashavadana Paryantam.
Okay. नववादनतः. Okay. अच्छा. रात्रौ नववादनतः एकादशवादनपर्यन्तम्.
Uttamam.
पर्यन्तम्.
Sambhashanam Kritavantah. Uttamam.
सम्भाषणं कृतवन्तः.
So, Ratrau Navavadanatah can also be replaced by Navavadanat. That's the Vibhakti form.
नववादनात्. अच्छा.
Both
नववादनात्.
Dvayamapi chalati. And another thing, Taradvi,
रात्रौ.
अन्यदेक विषय भवति यदा रूपस्मरणं शब्दरूपस्मरणं करोति भवति एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं करोति. That is the traditional way of learning it. But that is also the much more tedious way of learning it, because if you want to say the Saptami Bahuvachanam, you will go through 21 forms before you arrive at it. So I highly recommend that you learn it vertically. It's much simpler for the simple reason you'll see a lot of patterns. In the Prathama Bhakti, Ekavachanam especially, the one that you really need to learn more forms is in the Ekavachanam.
एकवचनं.
For example, Naraha, Naram, Narena, Naraya, Narat, Narasya, Nare, He Nara. The the Dvivachanam is very easy. If you're learning it like this, the Dvivachanam has minimum memorization because the first two are the same, the next three are the same, the next two are the same, and the last one is like the first one, which means it is Narau, Narau, Narabhyam, 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 Narayo, Narayoho, Narayoho, He Narau. Okay, so if you learn it vertically, the amount of memorization is reduced drastically. And you will arrive at the answer much faster.
The thing is that Naraha Narau Naraha is memorized from when I was 11 years old. So that is stuck. That won't go away. But the rest of it I'll learn like this. Yeah. Lata and all that I will learn like this. Yes. Okay. Now mama tritiya vakyam shighram vadami. Aham mama bandhavan Sangeeta Shiksham Zume Apatham.
Pathayam.
Apatham, no?
No. So you are teaching, na? Pathayami is the verb. Pathayami is the verb.
Pathayami, okay.
So it will become apathayam as a result.
Apathayam.
Satyam.
What's the meaning of that?
So pathayami is I teach. Pathami is I study. And pathayami is a form called the niche. Or it's also known as the, in English, the causative, which means that you are making somebody else do that thing. So pathami, pathayami, khadami, khadayami. Pashyami, darshayami, because drish is the root. Pibami, payayami, because the root is pa. Gachami, gamayami. That's why you have in the Om Asato Ma Sad Gamaya. So it's very interesting to know that that mantra is not saying I will go from truth to untruth, from untruth, sorry. I will not go from untruth to truth. It says, Asato ma sad gamaya, make me go. Huh? So similarly, pathayami is when you make somebody else read. Pathami is to read, pathayami is to make somebody else read. Iti.
Okay.
Astu.
Is there a word
Shall
for
I?
read versus learn? I mean, we are using them interchangeably. Patami.
Satyam, Satyam. So it's very interesting. Aham, and it's a tricky one. So, for example, there is no very easy, there is no not much adhyayanam karomi is I study, adhyami is there, adhyayanam karomi is I'm doing a study of it, I learn. Aham, shikshami is there. So what I learned in another context is that there is no verb there is no verb for to teach. That verb, it seems, doesn't exist. Tasya shikshanam karomi is I'm teaching, but there is some tricky thing on that. Vednaranji na shruyate, bhavataha vachanam na shruyate. Vednaranji bhavan vadati, but kimapi na shruyate tatra. Na shruyate topi. Na shruyate. न श्रूयते इतोपि भवान् अन्यस्मिन् एतत् स्थापयतु. Put the earphone into the next hole. पश्यतु. भ्रान्तिः भवति वाक्यं वदति in the meanwhile.
Yes.
वदतु.
Okay. So I'll just say it in English first. I ran almost 150 kilometers in the marathon training practice session. Okay.
अस्तु.
Last month. Yeah. So aham gat mase. Oh God, I don't know what to say about 150 kilometers.
50 अधिक 100. 50 अधिक 100.
50 adhika 100.
And you can make it into a, with the sandhi, it becomes 50 adhika shatam. You can just say shatam also. You can, if you take out the eka, it doesn't matter.
Perfect. Okay. 50 adhika shatam.
50 adhika shatam.
Yeah. So aham gat mase 50 adhika shatam dhavami kilometers dhavami marathon training practice ranam.
But now we'll just have to put the prepositions or the vibhakti in the right place. So, aham pancha dhávitavati. So I ran first and foremost.
Dhávitavati.
Kimartham. So, what for what purpose? It is for marathonasya abhyasartham or abhyasaya.
Marathonasya abhyasartham. Okay.
Marathonasya abhyasartham.
Perfect. Okay. So aham gat mase panchashatadhik shatam dhávitavati marathonasya abhyasartham.
Uttamam, uttamam. So you just say also, you say aham kilometers. You'll have to put in the kilometers just for that.
Yeah. So after panchashat adhikam shatam kilometer.
Satyam. Okay. Kilometers dhávitavati. Kilometers, dhávitavati. Marathon abhyasartham.
Yeah, marathon abhyasartham. Clear. Yeah, the second statement is aham gatama.
Dvitiya vakyam.
Dvitiya vakyam. Aham gatamase vividha pakam pachavati.
Paktavati. It becomes
Pak-
paktavati.
Pachati is also
Satyam,
cooking, right?
Satyam. It is the same verb. It is the same word. Pach is the verb. But then
Yeah.
if you put the kalam, it becomes, in this context, it becomes paktavati.
Okay, paktavati. Perfect. Yeah. A trutiya statement.
Vakyam.
Trutiya vakyam. Aham gatmase photography kritavati.
Oh, aham bhachitram.
God, what is it?
Bhachitram.
Bha
Chitram.
Bhachitram.
Ha.
Okay. Yeah.
Bhachitram कृतवती. Oh, उत्तमम्,
Kritu.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमं. बहु विविधकार्याणि कृतवती भवती. हा?
Yes.
विविधान् अनुभवान् प्राप्तवती. उत्तमम्, उत्तमं. महान् सन्तोषः.
धन्यवादः.
उत्तमम्. अस्तु.
अनुराधा महोदय,
आमां, का वदति वा? हा, नन्दिनी वदतु. नन्दिनी
अहं
वदतु.
प्रयत्नं करोमि।
कृपया, कृपया.
गतमासे मम कुक्कुरस्य स्वास्थ्यं पतति।
ओहो.
नो, करेक्ट?
आमामाम्.
अहं कुक्कुरां
मम स्वास्थ्यं पतति न स्वास्थ्य मम कुक्कुरस्य स्वास्थ्यम् असम्यक् आसीत्. Maybe that is easier.
असम्यक्
आसीत् or असम्यक् अभवत् or सम्यक्. No, let's say maybe this is easier to say. सम्यक् नासीत्.
सम्यक् नासीत्।
हाँ.
नासीत्।
नासीत्.
नासीत्।
हाँ.
अहं कुक्कुरां वेट्टाय समीपं नेष्यति।
Okay. अहं कुक्कुरं वेटस्य समीपम्.
Okay.
Okay, vetasya samipam neetavati. So neshyati is in the bhavishya kalam.
Oh, okay, okay.
Neetavati.
Neetavati. Yes,
Ah.
yes, yes. Sorry.
No, no.
Neetavati.
Dvitiya
vakyam.
Oh, no, just one thing. Nandini di. Ataha. So if you're making that into one sentence, you say, Mama kukkurasya swasthyam samyak nasit ataha.
Ataha.
Aham tam. Tam means it.
Okay.
It as a noun there.
Aham.
Pronoun. Tam.
Ataha aham tam.
Vetasya samipam neetavati.
Vetasya samipam neetavati.
Shishu vaidya, no, Pashu vaidya samipam. Pashu
vaidya. Okay. Pashu vaidya samipam neetavati. Gatamase. Can I repeat, please? Gatamase mama kukurasya swastham samyak nasit. Ataha aham tam pashu what?
Pashu
vaidya samipam neetavati.
उत्तमं सुन्दरं. वाक्यं मने अर्थः सम्यक् न मने किञ्चित् कष्टम् अस्ति, बट् व्याकरणं शुद्धम् अस्ति.
पशुवैद्यस्य समीपं.
वैद्यस्य समीपं नीतवती.
वैद्यस्य और वैदस्य?
वैद्यस्य. पशुचिकित्सकः. चिकित्सकः is also another word for doctor.
Okay.
Why Shashti Vibhakti there?
Tasya samipam, near of the doctor. That is how it becomes in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Or you can even make it a samasta, a compound word, and say pashu vaidya samipam.
Can't.
But in Hindi you say doctor ke paas.
That is what. So that is what really happens.
Yeah.
द्वितीय वाक्यं वदामि.
कृपया.
Aham.
Sorry, just before you go into the next sentence, I want to give you practice of this. So, like you've had ataha, no? Ataha joined two clauses. So, shuna kukkurasya aswasthyam asit athava kukkurasya swasthyam samyak nasit. Ataha Vaidya Samipam Nitavati. If you reverse the order of these two, it becomes Aham Shishu Aham Kukkuram Pashu Vaidya Samipam Nitavati Yataha Tas Swasthyam Samyak Nasit.
Yeah.
So this Ataha Yataha plays an interesting one to practice.
Yeah. Okay.
Astu vadatu.
द्वितीयवाक्यं
Kripaya.
अहं केनोपनिषदं कार्यक्रमे अग्नि भवति.
Oh, uttamam. Aham Kenopanishadaha Karyakrame.
Okay. केनोपनिषदः कार्यक्रमे.
That is one way of saying it, or you make it a compound. Kenopanishat Karyakrame.
Okay. अहं केनोपनिषत् कार्यक्रमे अग्नि भवति.
Bhavati or Asmi? I am.
I am.
Uttamam. Aham Asmi.
Okay. Okay. Aham agni. If I say patra, then how do I say it?
As in you're playing the role of that.
Yes.
So then Agnehe Patram Karomi or Agnehe Patram. The ideal way of saying is Vahami, means that I'm carrying that role.
Okay. Agnehe patram vahami.
Satyam.
Okay.
Agnehe is what vibhakti? Agnehe.
Shashti vibhakti for a pullinga ikaranta shabdaha. Like kavihi shabda doesn't become kavisya. It becomes kavihi, becomes kavehe.
Is it the same as Muni? Is it the same as Muni?
Satyam.
Is it the same as Muni? Yeah.
Satyam. And the good thing to know is that, so if you know the verbs ending with E, if you know the verbs ending, not the verbs, the nouns ending
The nouns.
with E, Satyam, the noun ending with E for the pullinga, like Muni.
Yes.
Then the E becomes the E becomes a and a Y. So that's the mutation of sound in Sanskrit. So the E becomes an A, which becomes a Y in the semi-vowels. Astu. So the E is the guna or the increase of the sound E is the A. The vriddhi of the sound E is the I. And the antastha varna of that becomes the Y. All right. For the U, it is the...
Please repeat that.
So is that why it is Munaye?
Exactly.
No,
exactly.
that is
why it is Munaye.
Munaye. In
Because
the fourth.
Yes, Satyam.
In the fourth vibhakti.
Satyam. And now the thing is that for the Ukaranta, the guna of U is O, the vriddhi of U is Au, and the semi-vowel attached with it is the V. So if it is Munaye, for Guru it will become... Can you tell me the whole thing? So Munna...
Gurave.
Exactly.
Gurave.
Exactly. So again, if you understand this logic, then you don't need to remember it for them separately. You just need to remember one of them and you know it for the other because you are familiar with the phonetic logic of it. I'll give you a taste.
Okay.
I'll maybe tell it to you. Maybe let me see if I can. I will see if it is there at the end of this book. I don't think we have Ikaranta. Ikaranta Nasti.
Anuradhaji, this conversion to Guruve, can you please explain that again?
I will do that. I was just trying to see if I have the document open here. Ekakshanama. I will just try and pull it up for you. I will have to find it.
Also the Ikara Pullinga, please again.
Okay. Let me.
Ikara pulling, I can tell you. Munihi, Munim, Muni, Munina, Munaye, Munehe, Munehe, Munau, He Mune.
Okay.
Ekakshanam. Share. So supposing I have So I have Muni.
अहं प्रयत्नं करोमि.
आम् करोतु. आम् कृपया राघवजी करोतु.
अहं गतमासे 31 दिनाङ्के रात्रौ मम पुत्री वा पुत्रसहिते नूतनवर्ष आरम्भे नृत्यं कृतवान्.
Uttamam. Would you like to just repeat it once more and I'll pay attention to the grammar?
अहं गतमासे रात्रौ 31 दिनाङ्के रात्रौ नववत्सरारम्भे मम पुत्री वा पुत्रसहिते नृत्यं कृतवान्.
Astu, uttamam. Now you can say putriya, putrena sahacha nrityam kritavan. Astu. So the tritiya vibhakti, you just have to use the tritiya vibhakti if you're using saha.
Okay.
Shamita. Muninam, munina. Ekrisha. And what is your dvitiya vakyam? Dvitiyam vakyam?
वदतु.
Bhavatah dvitiya vakyam. This is not working out.
I didn't understand.
Your second sentence, Mahodaya?
Second sentence. मम कनिष्ठपुत्री मार्च मासे आरम्भे लंडन नगरे
Gatavati.
गतवती.
Can you repeat the sentence once more, please?
मम कनिष्ठपुत्री मार्च मासे आरम्भे
March masasya arambhe.
मासस्य आरम्भे लंडन नगरे करोमि गजवन्ति.
So you have to say London Nagaram Gatavati because it's a destination.
Okay.
London Nagaram Gatavati.
London Nagaram.
Uttamam. So I'll just try and pull this up for you here. It's too complicated to try and write it on that.
Okay.
So Atra Pashatu. Here you have Munihi, Munim, Munina. Okay. Munaye, Munehe, Munau, He Mune. Astu. So the Ikaranta has something called a guna. The guna or the next quality of E is the A. Then the further increase of it is the I. And the semi-vowel that is associated with the E is the Y. All right, just remember that. That's why you get Munaye. Now, just as for the E, it becomes a Y and an A. For the U, so a word like guru, a word like pashu, they have the word pashu here. So you see it's pashu, pashum, pashuna. All this is the same. So munihi, munim, munina. They'll be identical. Then in the other one, we had munaye because the E correspond. So the U becomes pashave. Then you had munehe. Here you get pashoho, pashau, munau. It was the same. And he pasho. We had he mune. So if you learn it for one vowel, so either the U or the E, whichever you're comfortable with, if you just know the phonetic logic of it, you will automatically be able to apply it on the other. So it reduces the extent of, like pure rote learning is what I'm saying. If you get the logic of it, much lesser memory and much faster application. Is it clear? Spashtamasti etat.
Didn't understand the logic.
Anuradha Mahodaya, just repeat what you said. Ikaranta Vriddhi, what is that thing?
So ikarant
Just what you said in Sanskrit.
yeah. So when you learn the grammar, Panini grammar, he talks about something called the guna and vriddhi. So the guna is an increase. Guna means an increase. The quality of the quality of E is A. Because when you move from E and you are trying to take out the sound with an it becomes an A, or to E becomes an A. Then you have a vriddhi, which is an increase of that same sound, gives you an I. So E corresponds to A, corresponds to I. And the semi-vowel it is associated with is year. So in terms of the phonetic instrumentation of our throat, I'll just stop sharing this and I'll come back here. So in terms of the phonetic instrumentation of the throat, you have these sounds that correspond. The E, so when you go from to E, you get the sound A will come in the middle. You slow down that whole thing and you get I. Okay. And then when you go from E to it becomes ear.
Yeah.
Phonetically, these four sounds are completely connected. So if you have a word ending with E, like Muni, and you memorize the forms of that. So Munihi, for example, I'll come back, I'll share again. So you learn up this form. This is a very good site actually. It's a very good one to practice it. So you have Munihi, Munim. Okay. Then Munina. Then you get Munaye. And this is where it starts taking on its own characteristics. Then you have Munehe. You see the guna that happens to the E. Munehe and Munau. And finally, He Mune. Now, if you look at the verb, if you look at the word guru or pashu, you get pashuhu, pashum, pashuna. So we had munihi, munim, munina. You see, all these are the same. The ending is the same, basically. And then you have pashave, because the u, the o, the au, and the v are connected. So you get pashave, and then munehe becomes pashoho, pashoho, gurau, munau, pashau. He mune, he pasho. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Huh? And
So
for the rest,
Ukaranta Gunaha is O and Ukaranta Vriddhi becomes Au.
Uttamam. Satyam.
Acha.
Satyam.
Okay.
That is the thing.
And semi-vowel becomes Ve.
V. Semi-vowel is the V. Yeah. Associated semi-vowel. Satyam. And if you just remember that, then for the entire table, if you remember just one form, and even there it's very simple, like I said, because, see, I'll show it to you here. I'll take an Akaranta Pullinga. Okay. It might be a little small. I'll see if I can zoom it. So here you see, it is Devaha, Devam, Devena, Devaya, Deva, Devasya. The second column is Devau, Devau, Devabhyam, Devabhyam, Devabhyam. All three are the same. Devayoho are the same. And Devau is the same as the first one. Similarly, in the Bahuvachanam, not similarly, but again, there are things that are similar. So Devaha, Devan, Devaih, and then Devebhya, fourth and fifth are the same. Devanam, Deveshu. And the Bahuvachanam has a lot in common across the groups. So let's take another.
Now, Deva is not same as Nara, is it?
Same, Samanam. Because it's an Akaranta Pullinga.
Yes.
Here you got Akaranta Pullinga, Ikaranta Pullinga, Ukaranta Pullinga, Rikaranta Pullinga, Okaranta Pullinga, Atman Rajan. These are Nakaranta. Okay, with slight variations. Astu. So now if you take the word Muni, you see?
Yeah.
If you take Muni, you get Munihi, Munim, Munina, Munaye, Munehe, Munehe, Munnau, and He Mune. And then in the Ikara, you see, it becomes long. So if you just see this and I tell you Guru ka, what will happen to Guru? in the Dvivachanam, what will happen? Like Munni, Ekavachanam becomes Muni in Dvivachanam. So Guru will become
Guru.
That's it.
Guru.
Guru, Satyam. So Guru, and there you had, so Munibhyam will become Gurubhyam. This will stay identical.
Yes.
And here.
Yes.
Munyoho. So what will that become?
Guravoho.
No. So Munni. So Sanskrit really requires very close attention on what disappears and what comes in.
Munyoho.
So Munyoho is a combination of
Guryoho.
Gur.
Gurvoho.
Guryoho.
Guravoho.
Gurvoho. Gurvoho.
Gurvoho. Yeah, Prasun, what is it? Gurvoho. Because Munni, the Ikara drops and the Yoho comes in. Guru, Ukara will drop and the Ya will get replaced by a V and it becomes Gurvoho.
Gurvoho. Yeah.
That's why when we talk of the, the yogic aspect of Sanskrit, it really is this 200% attention on the change on every single sound. There is a logic to why it is there and why not, how does it relate to other words in the similar family. Astu. So the Rikara does a similar thing. I mean, I don't want to give you too much, but this is a very good sign to just get an idea of what is happening. This acts a little bit differently. Astu.
Three.
Satyam. Vashu. Okay. So what I'll do is maybe the others who haven't made any sentences yet, if you'd like to at least make one sentence, then Agami Vare you can start with your sentences and I'll listen to the others after that. So is there any Taradi Bhavati Vakyam?
May I try?
Kripaya Vakyam Vadatu.
Okay. Aham bahu samayanantare Sunadasya online kaksham attend karoti. No, how do you say that?
Kritavati.
Attend kritavati. Kritavati. Bahu kashtam asti.
Satyam. Bahu kashtam asti.
No, not asti. Bahu kashtam? Asit. Yeah, it was difficult.
Satyam.
Bahu kashtam asit. Then
so Taradi, for attend Kritavati, you can say Bhagam Grihitavati.
Bhagam
Grihitavati.
Okay. Okay.
Anyat Vakyam asti.
Then aham punaha shwasa exercises abhyasam shramishyami to try to do
kartum prayatnam kritavit. Kartum prayatnam kritavati.
Prayatnam kritavati. Prayatnam kritavati. Yeah.
Shwasasya abhyasan.
Shwasasya abhyasan.
Shwasasya abhyasan kartum
abhyasan kartum prayatnam kritavati.
Uttamam.
Then aham with family spent time.
Parivarena
saha pautra pautri tatcha putrasya and their families. How do you say that?
Astu. So Parivarena saha putrasya pautrasya putrena pautriya saha. So wait.
Grandchildren, how do I say?
Aham pautre.
Pautrahi
saha. Grandchildren. Pautrahi saha.
Does it include both male and female?
Satyam.
Okay. Aham
pautrahi saha.
Pautrahi. सह samayam I spent time. No,
यापितवती.
sorry,
यापना समय यापनम. So
samayam yapitavati.
यापितवती, yeah.
Okay, spent time.
सत्यं समयं यापितवती. अहं परिवारेण सह पौत्रैः सह पुत्रेण पौत्रैः सह च समयं यापितवती.
अहं परिवारेण पुत्रेण no sorry
सत्यं परिवारेण सह
पुत्रेण पौत्रैः सह समयं यापितवती.
सुन्दरं सुन्दरम्. उत्तमं. धन्यवादः. आमाम् उत्तमं. प्रसून भवान् वेदनारायण जी वदतु वदतु.
अहं केवलम् एतस्य वर्गस्य प्रतीक्षायां करोमि.
प्रतीक्षां कृतवान्.
अकरोत्. अकरवम्.
एकमासं बहु अन्यत् अपि कृतवान् अवश्यम्.
परीक्षार्थं प्रस्तुतिं
परीक्षा कथम् आसीत्?
परीक्षा उत्तमम् आसीत्.
बहु
धन्यवादः मैम.
परिणामः आगतः?
आगतवान्.
कथम् आसीत्?
उत्तमम्. 85% मैम. बहु उत्तमम्. बहु उत्तमम्. I never thought.
तो वेदनारायण महोदय 100% प्राप्तवान् आसीत्. महोदय बहु वर्षेभ्यः संस्कृतं पठति, अतः किञ्चित् अधिक लाभः आसीत् तत्र.
महोदयस्य संस्कृत एव बहु उत्तमम् आसीत्.
सत्यं सत्यं सत्यं. महोदय तदेव पाठयति तत्र पुट्टपत्यां साई आश्रमे पाठयति. महोदय किमपि न श्रूयते महोदयः. अद्य चिन्ता नास्ति, आगामिवारे तर्हि नो चेत् भवान् लिखतु चाटे लिखतु, तर्हि वयम् अवगच्छामः किं वक्तुम् इच्छति इति.
माइक्रोफोन इति कनेक्ट न भवति.
सत्यं सत्यं कापि समस्या अस्ति तत्र. अन्यस्मिन् गर्ते स्थापयतु. अन्यस्मिन् गर्ते. एकक्षणम्. आमामाम् न भवति. अस्तु अरुणादि भवती वाक्यं वदतु इति मध्ये.
अहं प्रति बुधवासरे सुनाद समूहः how do you say with
समूहेन सह
practice
कृतवती. अभ्यासं कृतवती. Or now we've done a lot of abhyasam कृतवती. Abhyasthavati. So if you want to directly use the verb.
Oh my God. Abhyastavati. Okay. My second sentence. Aham tarara bahudinanantaram Zoom. How do you say on the Zoom call? Shrunomi.
Zoome shrutavati. Aham
Zoome shrutavati.
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 And then you have to say tararam shrutavati, because she's the object of your hearing. Whom did you hear? Kam shrutavati, tararam shrutavati.
Aham bahudinanantaram Tararam Zoome Shrutavati Bahu Santosham
Anubhavami cha. So you can say Ataha.
Ataha, correct.
So these connecting words are very important to get now.
Yes.
Add little more of those. So ataha mama bahu santoshah abhavat or aham santosham anubhavami.
Aham santosham
इदानीं श्रोतुं
Anubhavami.
anubhavami. Okay, good.
Astu astu uttamam.
Ah.
उत्तमम्
इदानीं श्रोतुं शक्यते
Uttamam adhyapakam. What do you say when there is a good teacher?
ने छात्रायाः एव तत्र पूर्णः
No, but छात्रायाः अध्यापकः यत्र तत्र छात्राः.
यदा अध्यापकः सम्यक्
अध्यापिका
यदा अध्यापकः अध्यापिका वा समीचीना तदा छात्रः अपि समीचीनाः भवन्ति.
Whatever, because of you.
Samicina.
समीचीनः पुल्लिङ्ग अस्ति. समीचीन सम्यक् इट्स् द सेम् थिङ्ग्. इट्स् अनदर वर्ड. पर्याय शब्दः अस्ति. समीचीनः पुल्लिङ्गे, समीचीना स्त्रीलिङ्गे, समीचीनं नपुंसकलिङ्गे. समीचीनः गायकः, समीचीना गायिका, समीचीनं चलनचित्रम्. अस्तु. And समीचीनाः बहुवचने पुरुषाः समीचीनाः, महिलाः समीचीनाः, पुष्पाणि समीचीनानि.
Okay, my third sentence. I just
वाक्यं वदतु तृतीयं वाक्यं वदतु.
अहं मम सह पाठ्य my fellow students.
सह पाठकैः
सह पाठकै. No, not सह पाठकै. I want to wish everybody नूतन वर्षाभिनंदन कृतवान.
कर्तुमिच्छामि. अहं नूतनवर्षशुभाशयान्.
अहं नूतनवर्ष
सुभाषयाः.
अहं नूतन वर्ष शुभाशयः.
सुभाषयान् इज बहुवचनम और सुभाषयम् एकवचनम.
ओके. सुभाषयम्
निवेदयितुम् इच्छामि. निवेदयितुम् इच्छामि. I want to convey.
इच्छामि. But I want to अहं मम सहपाठके नूतनवर्षशुभाशयं निवेदयितुम्
इच्छामि. उत्तमम्. So अहं मम सहपाठकेभ्यः.
ओके.
For them अहं निवेदयितुम् इच्छामि. उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः. वयम् अनुगृहीताः स्मः. धन्यवादः.
इदानीं श्रोतुं शक्यते?
सत्यं वदतु. भवतः वाक्यानां प्रतीक्षा अस्ति सर्वेषाम् अपि. वदतु.
आगामी मास अवश्यं करिष्यामि. इदानीं विलम्बो अभवत् भवत्याः. भवत्यै विलम्बम् अभवत्.
एकं वाक्यं वदतु.
गतमासे मम छात्रेभ्यः अर्धवार्षिकपरीक्षा अभवत्.
मम
छात्राणाम् अर्धवार्षिकपरीक्षा
अभवत्. सत्यं. मम छात्राणाम् ऑफ देम अर्धवार्षिकपरीक्षा अभवत्. उत्तमम्. अस्तु. So मम एक अनुरोध. यामिनी दी and Vivek Mohdey, do you want to make one sentence each? एकम् एकं वाक्यं कुर्वन्ति किम्? Vivek ji? Okay. Astu. So what I propose is that for the next time, we can think of Agami. We talked about Gata Varshe or Gata Mase.
Ma'am, next time I will make.
Vivek Mode vadatu vakyam. Ekam vakyam vadati kiam?
Not possible, ma'am, right now.
Astu.
I'm not having confidence. I'm not having confidence.
Try Gata Mase Kim Kritavan. Any one thing, activity interesting that you might have done. You want to try? Abhyasam prayatnam karotu. Chinta mastu.
Ma'am, Sanskrit vakyam Vyakhyan karoti.
Aham. So you can say mum. Okay, so mama, first of all, no, because I did, no? So aham.
Yeah.
Sanskrit
vakyam Vyakhyan karoti.
Sanskrit vakyasya Vyakhyanam Kritavan. Aham Sanskrit vakyasya Vyakhyanam Kritavan. So I try to elaborate on the Sanskrit sentence, or you can, that could be the sense. Astu.
Anuji, I joined late. I joined late.
Do you want to try making a sentence?
I'll just make. I've made. Gata varshe aham Samskrita sambhashanam na krutavati. I couldn't give time. I want how to say that.
Yataha, because. Yataha mama samayaha nasit.
So other part is okay. Gata varshe aham Samskrita sambhashanam na krutavati. Yataha mama samayaha
nasit. Nasit.
Oh, nasit.
Uttamam vakyam. Agami varshe bhavati Sanskrita sambhashanam karishyati eva yataha bhavati tadartham samayam karishyati. Okay, so next time we will practice the Bhavishyakala, and we'll do a class next week also. Agami saptahe api vargam kurma. Astu. Sundareshan, bhavan asti uta gatavan. Sundara asti kim? Astu. He's saying, okay, saha sambhashanam kartum na shaknoti, tasya kantaha nashtaha. Astu.
Ma'am, this session is available for the recording on the YouTube?
Satyam. Bhavishyati.
It's available on the YouTube?
Satyam. It will be there.
Today's recording?
It will be there. Bhavishyakale. Dinadvayam saha Sundareshan tatra sthapayishyati. Astu. Tari samapayamaha adya. Om shanti 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 iti uktva samapayamaha. Shanti shanti shanti. इति. So एक अनुरोधः अस्ति अभ्यासार्थं यदि इच्छन्ति from that list that we have, you can try making some sentences in the Bhutakala, because that is what we've done. So from the list, I think it's the 4th column, just try and make simple sentences. Don't make very complicated, but if you want, you can try using this ataha yataha, which is the logical clauses. So aham tatra aham samyak or aham pondicherim gatavati yataha aham parivaram melitum ishtavati. And then you swap the sentence. Aham parivaram melitum ishtavati attah Pondicherryam gatavati. So if you can do that kind of a practice, attah yattah. What did you do and why did you do it? So if you can do that practice on the abhyasah, samyak bhavishyati. Ekam vakyam किमपि प्रयत्नं करोतु यदा समयः भवति अस्तु चलतु शुभरात्रिः पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवादः पुनर्मिलामः
प्रसन्न वदने प्रसन्न होसि दर्शनं प्राप्त्यर्थं बहु आनन्दमस्ति
किमर्थम् आनन्द
शिक्षणं बहु दूरं
नहीं भवतः दृष्ट्वा मम आनन्दः भवति अतः एव प्रसन्नता मुखे अस्ति
संस्कृतं सेकेण्डरी
धन्यवादः
बहु धन्यवादः
प्रथमं तव दर्शनम्
अनुराधा महोदय
बहु धन्यवादः धन्यवादः शुभम
धन्यवादः
शुभरात्रि सुन्दरेश धन्यवादः